Hello everybody, welcome to my educational channel. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the misuse of the medicines. Sometimes people take the medicines without the prescription of the doctor, and this is very dangerous because we do not know in what proportion, in what quantity we have to take. So sometimes there may be overdose, and this overdose is very dangerous. For example, we can say that the overdose of the painkillers that may affect our body, that may do damage to our body. It may be dangerous because it may affect the nervous system, also the excretory system or the liver. If we take the overdose of the antibiotics, that may lead to the nausea, also the stomachache, dysentery, rashes or the white patches on the tongue. So always you have to take the medicines along with the prescription of the doctor, and keep in mind that overdose is also very dangerous. But these medicines are very much costly. It happens that there are poor people, they need the medicine but they cannot afford the medicines. So what is the solution for this? Yes, there is a solution. There are some medicines, they are called as generic medicines. Generic medicines, they are just the general medicines, and these general medicines, they are at lower cost, much more lower cost, because they are manufactured and distributed without any patent. At par in quality, they are with branded medicines, and because the production cost is low, the expenses is very few on the research, as the formula is already available. So try to use the generic medicines. Poor people always, they should use the generic medicine, that is the general medicine, that have the completely same formula, the same quality. The name may be different, but the generic medicine is always better because it is too much low cost. Now we have discussed about lots of diseases, the prevention, the symptoms, but now let us discuss the main cause. Why does people get a disease? If they are infectious, there are different agents. If they are non-infectious, there are also some different agents, but generally our lifestyle, today's lifestyle is very much responsible for the person to get the disease. So now let us discuss the point, lifestyle and the disease. The main thing is our daily routine. You all know that how is our daily routine. Whatever we do daily. Mainly, whatever is wrong in our daily routine, that is the type of the food we eat. Mostly we eat the junk food. And that junk food, that has very much less nutrition. Secondly, we get up very late in the morning, so sleeping for too late in the morning, and also very much late going to the bed, that is also dangerous. So staying in the bed till late in the morning and going to the bed late night, that is very dangerous. So early to bed and early to rise makes the man healthy, wealthy and wise. You might have listened this, and that is really true. So you have to go to bed at time, you have to wake up properly, so that is you have to take proper sleep. So daily routine, that is the main lifestyle that which is wrong. Getting up very late, sleeping very late, along with that changing the meal times. Whatever food we eat, that should be taken at regular time daily. But daily we need change our timing of lunch, timing of dinner, anytime we eat. So this is also dangerous, that may lead to the disease. Along with that, the lack of physical exercise, taking too much junk food, these are, so because of this the person get frequently sick. So to avoid this, our lifestyle should be right. Now let us see what is the right lifestyle. The right lifestyle includes sufficient sleep. Sleep is the key to the success. That is the key to the health, because if you sleep properly, all the metabolic activities go on properly. So better sleep, sufficient sleep is very much important. Along with that, the right food, and also the yogasanas and the pranayam, that is also very much necessary. The yogasanas should be done under the guidance of the experts. Also the physical exercise should be done. Physical exercise, yoga and pranayam, they are very much important, but they should be done according to our own capacity. Too much exercise, that is also not good. So all this should be done according to your capacity, and that also under the guidance of the experts. And lastly, we should not forget about the vaccination. Vaccination is the right way for the prevention of the infectious disease. You may not be knowing that the government has declared the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana on 1st July 2015. And in this scheme, the best quality medicine is more available in the affordable prices to all the citizens. And for this, the Jan Aushadhi stores are also launched for this purpose. Secondly, the thing which you don't know, that is, Indian companies export the generic medicines on the large scale. We have lots of money. We don't go to the generic medicals, and for this, the generic medicine is just exported out of the country and they are benefited. However, these medicines are sold under the brand names with high prices in India. But the opposite thing happens in other countries. For example, if we talk about America, in America, 80% medicines they are the generic medicines, and because of this, hundreds of billions of money is saved there. So always keep in mind that whenever you have some disease, whenever you need the medicine, try to use the generic medicines, and that generic medicines or the low cost medicines you can get on the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Yojana in the Jan Aushadhi stores. Wherever you find the generic stores, just go and purchase the medicine. Then you will come to know what is the difference in the price. So that is always better. So in this video, we have just discussed the misuse of the medicines. Always take the medicine by the prescription of the doctor and only in the required amount. Overdose is also very, very harmful. Along with that, your lifestyle should be proper. If you have the right lifestyle, you will be away from the disease. And if you need the medicine, just take it from the generic stores. All about this in this video. Thank you.